Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the complete tutorial of how to add or deposit cash in Wise. So simply in order to do this, first as you can see, send money option. So simply you can see in my case I have many balances here. So just simply click on send money or simply click here on this plus button to open your currency. So after that here you can select balance or jar, simply open this balance and now here select the currency in which you want to deposit cash. So after that here you can see I have selected euro. After that simply click on this plus button. Now here how much amount that you want to add here, so simply I have typed 300. After that just simply click on continue. So now here you can see that in order to deposit the cash in your Wise account, first of all you have to verify your account. So how you can verify your account? Simply you can get link by email or scan a QR code. So in this way you can verify account, and after that you will move to payment option, so where you can add your bank account. So in this way you can deposit cash in Wise.